Welcome to this session on measuring ROI in marketing. Understanding ROI is crucial for justifying budgets, optimizing campaigns, and improving overall business performance. Today, we'll cover key metrics, formulas, and real-world examples to help you measure and maximize ROI effectively. Measuring ROI ensures that marketing is not just seen as a cost center, but as a value driver. Without it, we risk investing in strategies that don't contribute to growth. These key metrics give us a holistic view of marketing effectiveness. ROI tells us the profitability, CAC informs us about acquisition costs, CLV helps in long-term value assessment, and marketing attributed revenue ensures we measure direct impact. This example shows a 200% ROI, meaning for every $1 spent, $2 in profit was generated. A CAC of $100 indicates the cost per new customer, while a CLV to CAC ratio of 5x suggests strong long-term profitability. Attribution models help us understand what touchpoints contribute to conversions. Last-click attributes all credit to the final interaction, while multi-touch distributes it across various touchpoints. ROI measurement isn't always straightforward. A long B2B sales cycle, multi-channel interactions, and inconsistent tracking make it challenging to assign credit accurately. These tools help marketers bridge the gap between marketing spend and actual revenue impact. Improving ROI isn't just about cutting costs, it's about maximizing impact by focusing on what works best. Marketing is an evolving process. The more we measure, the better we optimize. ROI isn't just about proving results, it's about improving them. Thank you.